you should have the knowledge first, of course, before you can apply it in an organization. So you should find the training institute or do it yourself, but that's difficult. So especially for the higher levels, you need to follow a training and get certified. And we have two types of certification. Maybe I should explain. You have the theoretical part and you have the practical part. So the theoretical part you can do by following training and do the exam. But it's like driving. You can have your driver license, doesn't make you a good driver. So you have to practice. So for the green belt, you need one practical project. And of course, then you need an organization where you can apply this practical project. And for a black belt, it's two projects. Together, then you can get the theoretical and the practical certification, which makes you a real green belt and a real black belt, and not only theoretical green belt or black belt.
Yeah.